I will be free dash afternoon. In, he is devoid dash common sense. Devoid এর পরে of বসে, he is devoid of. He is hanker, hanker এর পরে always after বসে, he is hanker after money. Carry on means, carry on শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে চালিয়ে যাওয়া। She sympathized dash me, এখানে শূন্যস্থানে বসবে with, sympathized এর পরে with বসে। The judge acquitted him dash the charge, acquitted এর পরে of বসে। The children were entrusted, entrusted এর পরে with বসে, entrusted with the care of their uncle. Fill in the blank. He assisted me, assisted এর পরে বসে in, assisted me in answering the question.